It was literally all sunshine like 10 minutes ago. And I come home, it's raining. It started raining as soon as I walked in the door. It started raining when, let me tell you something. So, it was the end of last period. Yeah, it's raining bad. And we were going home, of course. I mean, that's why I'm here. And, it started raining. So it was sprinkling, and then once we got to the bus, it started pouring down hard. Everyone had to run to get to their bus. I had to run. Oh God, it's wet. Yeah, I got my pants wet. So, yeah, and I got this thing strangling me. If you don't know, don't mind my socks. If you don't know what this is, it's a purple sloth. I won this at David Buster's. And yeah, this is my lovely sitting area. You can't really see it because it's freaking raining out. If it wasn't raining, it would be beautiful sunshine. Like, for once, can it not rain? It was all sunny yesterday. It was sunny for most of the day until last period, which is around, let's see, we get out of school at 3, and right now it is 3:37, so I get home around 3:35, so, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go. It's got this thing. Oh yeah, hold up. It has these things on it. So it can do on both hands. So it can do this. And it can hang. Whee!